Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shasur Classes. I am Shafis also here. Dear students, today I have come up with the video and even I just want to transfer this information for all the Karnataka State Board students as well our beloved Education Minister Mr. Suresh Kumar sir. So I just request that we want this year Karnataka State Board exams 2021 should get cancelled. We want the justice. So now we are going to start a petition, okay, to cancel the board exams. As we know this, CBSE class 10 board exams have got cancelled, even ICSE board exams have got cancelled, as well the other state board exams also has got cancelled. Now the situation is more pathetic, so we want the justice. We want to save the life of the peoples and also our students. Save lives, save students. As we are concerned with certain things and most of the students have these number of problems, as well they have still more much problems. Now we have got to know about these problems as we are going to focus here. As no proper education was conducted in this academic year, yet no proper information has given about the reduced syllabus officially in any government website, and also there was no model papers for private students also declared in our government website. No completion of syllabus is done in most of the schools till today's date. Now infection is more, as we can see the cases are rising day to day. Situation is completely out of control. Government is not showing the exact information about the vaccines, how exactly they can fight against this COVID-19. So all parents and students are very much worried about the health and they are concerned about the health of the students and their children's. Many boards have already cancelled, but why our government is not going to why our government is not cancelling the board exam? So parents who can afford money, so definitely they have taken some extra coaching and they have made their students to get well prepared for the upcoming board exam. But what about the other students? Where should they go? No proper facility is been given in the rural areas, so no proper online classes was conducted or offline classes were also conducted in the rural areas, in the remote places. So that the internal stress has increased among the students and the parents. So parents are more concerned about the future of their wards. So news channels, as we can see, day to day they are showing the rising infection issues. So almost all the peoples are in a hectic condition. So the situation is completely out of control, as we can see over here. So all parents and students are worried about their health. So we are already reaching to the phase 3. So no vaccines are being given here properly, so that the cases are rising. We have brought with certain solutions. So we request our education minister and our ministry and even our Karnataka Chief Minister Mr. Yediyurappa sir to take action against this and please revert a proper message to our students. As these are the few important message we just these are the few important solutions as we have found. So we request sir, once you can go through these points. Postpone the exam for any other further date. Conduct exams once the infection get reduced. Motivate the parents and students sir. Create awareness how can they trust you. Prepare some more model papers and make sure at least if any students follow that 100% he or she clear their board exam, as this technique definitely will may help our all the level students. Many students still they are confused what to read and what not to read. Along with that, as you can see, there is a health fear. Students are very much worried and concerned about their exam and even their future. And so we have one specific question that once if the result declares, suppose we have given the exam, our Karnataka State Board students have written the exam, once if the result declares, then what will be the difference between our state board students and the other state board students to get the admissions in the college? As we can compare the CBSE, ICSE board and even our Karnataka State Board. So what will be the difference between the results to get the admission in the college? As we can see, there is more hike and there is more percentage criteria to get the admissions in the colleges. We have raised this campaign just by seeing towards the present situation. Even our intention is also not to harm anyone or to create any violence. Even we also want, as we are the teachers, okay, we also want the exam should get conducted, but by seeing towards the present situation, so definitely this has made us to raise our voice against it. So please students, kindly sign in this petition as the one who wants this mission to get successful. So let it reach out to our ministry and take some strict action. So the one who wants this mission to get successful, this is a procedure. As we can see here, this is the link is been given here. So you have to click this link. We will give this link in the below description box. You can just click this link. As soon you click this link, you can see there will be a message given over there like sign this petition. You can click that sign this petition. You can write your first name, last name and your email ID, and you can click OK. Then you can see there will be an option called can you chip in rupees. Some rupees they will show to get this petition on the agenda. If you want to contribute some money, you can contribute by going through any digital payment. If not, you can just write no, I will share instead. You can select, you can scroll down, you can see the message, yes, I will chip in. One more option will be there, no, I will share instead. So you can click no, I will share instead. Then you can click any medium, like you can share this information on Facebook, or you can just copy this link and you can paste in your normal message or in your WhatsApp message, or directly you can select send via WhatsApp and you can share this message to your all friends. So kindly share this video and message to your all contacts and your friends, and you can keep this as a status. So let this information reach to our department and also to the ministry. Solution, if not, if these are the points, if they are unable to do it, or so if it is very difficult to go ahead as per the today's situation, so kindly cancel the Karnataka State Board Exams 2021. We believe in you, sir. Hope you will do the best. We, the students and the teachers of Karnataka State Board, we always welcome to your suggestions. Thank you, sir. And my dear students, please try to share this information to your all friends. And still, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe it and click the bell icon, so that we will be coming with still more updates and notifications towards the exams and even the education. Thank you. Keep watching. Take care. Wish you all the best of luck. Be safe at your homes. Thank you.